Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make a macrame inspired wall hanging decor. I will not be making just one, not just two, but 3 different wall hanging decor for you guys in this video. And also, I will be having 3 special guests for today. So be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you guys haven't already checked out my previous video, you guys can click the link up here. I basically took old furnitures and upcycled them with rattan. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and let's go to the project number 1. So for project number 1, basically I scrolled through Pinterest. I saw this amazing wall hanging decor and I feel like this is pretty much easy to do it on your own. I will add some pictures over here and you guys can see the different colors and the simplistic design that I really love. So let's check out project number 1.
Alright, so for the first project, first you need a wooden or woven, that's what they call, placemat. And then you need to cut it into half, so we're gonna get 2 of them. So right now I'm just gonna take my pen knife and slowly just repeating the same motion to cut it into 2. And yes, you can see there's a lot of like, what do you call, a droppage of these weave. But then don't worry, we have Mod Podge to the rescue, and I'm just gonna glue it down just to ensure that it won't come off when I hang them. And don't you worry, because Mod Podge is basically white, but it will dry off clear and you can't even tell them that you have been putting a lot of glue on top of it. And I am doing the other one as well, just to secure the weave from being broken. Alright, next you will be needing a metal wire. So basically over here I am measuring it to the perfect size and then cut it using a metal wire cutter. Yep, and now you can see that it is perfect, just the length that I wanted. So this metal wire will act as the core that holds all of the macrame. And yes, these are my macrame cords. You can choose your own color, but I'm going to use this one for this project. So basically you measure to the length that you want it and then you fold it into 2 and then you just cut it. Alright, over here you can see I am making a knot. You can just put it under the metal wire and let the end go through the other holes and then just pull it. It's super easy, but it is repetitive because you will need these knots, like a lot of them. Alright, I'm doing my second one. Basically put it under the wire and get the end to go through the hole and then just pull it. Super easy. This will be a little bit time consuming, but I am telling you guys it is super worth it at the end. I am on to my last strand over here, and after that I'm gonna get a hot glue gun just to secure the end, just to make sure it won't drop. But just to be extra cautious, I am getting this 3-second super glue and put it throughout the knots to ensure that the knots won't be unraveling when I hang them. Alright, after you have secured everything with the super glue, it's time to put your hot glue gun on top of your macrame. And be generous with this one, just put a whole lot and then give it a good pressure on top of the placemat and then just press it down and we are basically done.
So it's time for project number 2. So if you guys know me, or basically my friends who know me, knows that I really love dream catchers. I love the design, I love the way how it looks, and I love the representation of a dream catcher. So for this second project, basically I did a little twist on the classic dream catchers and turned it into something a little bit modern, and of course it is macrame inspired. So you guys can do this easily at your home. So let's check out project number 2.
Alright, so first you'll be needing a macrame cord, the color of your choice of course. I am choosing white. And then you measure to the length that you want it for your feather. And then put the rest aside. fold it into two, and over here I am tying a knot in the middle. This will be the end of your feather. And over here you can see I am securing it on my table using a masking tape. And after that, you'll be needing a cardboard the size of your choice. This will be the length of your feather fringes. So now I'm showing you guys how to make multiple feather fringes the easy way. So basically you just loop it around the cardboard, and after that you snip the end. Ta-da! You can see that now I have a lot of fringes, so you're gonna make a lot of these. So you'll be taking two of the feather fringes and put it on the top and the bottom. I am showing you guys how to weave this together. First you go under, yes, and then you take the bottom one and put it over like that, and then you put the bottom into the top hole and then the top part into the bottom hole, and then just pull it together. Alright, and then you just push it on the side and make sure to secure it tightly. And then just repeat. I am now on my last fringes, and then it is almost done. Next, what you need to do is basically unravel each strand. Yep, this will be very time consuming, but I'm telling you the result is super satisfying. Over here you can see the before and after. I have unraveled every single strand, and over here basically I am almost done. I unraveled both parts. And these are the result, because look at that, look at the difference. And you know how I do it? So basically I am using my cat brush or dog brush is fine. This is the needle and brush, and basically what I'm doing, just brushing it through, combing it through, and make sure that every single thread it becomes super fine. Alright, now it's time to place the feather onto the metal ring. Basically, I am doing a loop just like the first project and make sure it goes through. It is super fine if the feathers become very unruly, because you can just comb it through again right over here. And of course, I didn't tell you that you guys can snip it and shape it to the way that you want it to be. And the first feather is basically done. I am adding two more, and voila, we are almost done. The last touch is basically I am using a hairspray. This will hold everything into place and it won't become unruly.
Last but not least is project number 3. So for this particular project, basically it's the same as project number 1. I went through Pinterest and I saw these cute little tassels that people hang on their wall. And I think it would be perfect if I added like a little touch of nature by using real branches from my backyard. And as I promised you guys, I have 3 special guests for today. But before I introduce them to you guys, I will show you guys how to make a tassel and basically the whole project number 3.
Alright, so basically snap a strand of your macrame cord. This will be the core of your tassel. And after that, get a cardboard box, basically the length of your choice. This will determine the length of your tassel. And then I'm showing you guys the easy way to make a loop. So over here I'm doing 7 loops. And after that, you just tie the end over here. Make sure you give it a good knot just to ensure that it won't come off. And then you take your scissors and snip the end over here. We are almost done over here. I can tell you guys know how it's gonna look like. So basically fold it into half to form the tassel. And then you will be needing another thread over here. Alright, so you make a loop at the end and then place it on top of your tassel like this. And now it is the fun part. So basically you just loop it around 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing 4 loops. Alright, and then after that you take the end and put it into the sinkhole at the bottom. Yep. And then you pull it through, and then you hold it. You hold it into place and now take the other end on top and just pull it through, and that's how you hide the tassel ring. As you guys can see, we are almost done. You guys can just leave it as it is, but I am going to unravel each strand just to give it like a fluffy look, like over here. But then this is not enough. I am using my cat brush again with a needle pointy end, and I'm just gonna brush it through and you guys can see how fluffy it will become.
And as I mentioned earlier in this video, I will be having 3 special guests for today, and they are my nieces. So you gotta make a hole, and after that you just put it on the tassel and you wrap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And after that, from the sinkhole over here, you just put the end of the rope in. Okay, so, and after that you just pull the other end of the rope in and pull it tight. See? We almost got a tassel. If it's not even at the bottom, it's totally fine. We can cut it off after this. So you got your tassel, almost. Let me help yours.
And this is 2 now.
Yes, and then we're making another one for Arissa.
Yay.
See, now we are almost done. This part, unravel every strand. So basically you just pull it around, and then you just pull it like that. Okay? Right now you do the same thing. You pull it.
How?
You take one strand, you twist it, and then you pull it.
How?
Then you twist it like that. Twist it. Yeah, and then twist. And then you take this open, like that.
That's making me tired. But I can try my best. Now can I put it?
What about you? Are you doing okay? Oh, it's the other way around. You're twisting the other part. Yeah, see? When you twist it apart, you can see the end is unraveling like that. Right?
Like this one.
Yes, like that one. So I'm gonna do it with you guys as well, alright? I'm gonna unravel mine just like yours. You got?
Triplets.
Oh, that's great! So you basically just twist it apart, unravel it. So after you unravel each strand, and then you tassel it out, film it with a comb or something, it will look something like this. And this is the end result. This is how it looks like at the end after you comb it through. Show them.
I did this one.
Alright.
I did this one.
So Raina, Adina, and Arissa, thank you so much for coming to my little channel today.
Bye.
I want you guys to comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. And please give me suggestions in the comment box on what I should do next. If you like this video, please like and comment down below. And also, if you like DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. I will be seeing you guys hopefully next week for another DIY video. Bye!